Welcome to a creative challenge. In this video, I'll transform hundreds of lighters into a complete artwork, a full-fledged mannequin. It takes 5 hours to create, and you'll witness every exciting moment. This is not your typical video. Join me as I embark on the journey of assembling a mannequin from lighter parts. Each detail, each action is a creative challenge. Let's see what the final result will be. Have you ever imagined that a lighter could become a part of the human body? Watch this video to see how I assemble a complete mannequin from unexpected pieces. 5 hours, hundreds of lighters, and one goal: to create a full mannequin. Join me to discover how these simple items can be transformed into an impressive work of art. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos coming your way.